Hello and welcome to MG Tracy. Today we're showing you inside of one of the rooms at my hotel, Bloomsberry. Overall the room is very compact but very nicely fitted out. You've got aircon. There's a very narrow gap at the end of the bed. To sort of get round the bed you have to sort of almost do it ballerina style. A couple of drum things there. TV on the wall. It says on the bump here the average price for this room is 228, but I think not many people actually pay that price, so a bit of haggling needed. There's a rather dodgy step here, so when you're wandering out of bed it's very easy to go forget about that. There's the fridge, start with a minibar, little selection there, including porridge. Usual bits in here, hairdryer, slippers, safe and that. And the bathroom also is nice but very compact. I don't know if this used to be an office or something because you've got massive windows there that disappear right out the top of the ceiling when this building's been converted. So behind the door you've got dressing gown and stuff. I don't know if you can make that out, there's sort of a bear rug there. It's quite nice when you get out of the bath. No shortage of bins either, so if you're someone in a hotel stay generates an undue amount of rubbish, this could be the hotel for you. I've done lots of videos on hotels and shops around London, so have a wander through and please subscribe. Thank you for your kind comments.